Hi, this is Joan, and I chose Google Cloud IoT for this research. It may not be new for you, but I couldn't help my curiosity about this. Let's take a look. Google, the developer's best friend, got so much into our life, therefore became a top leader in big data, the big brother. The famous IoT device, Google Home's features show what Google does best. A variety of integrated services based on Google Account Power, including almost everything you can do with Google services. You can extend it to control lights, temperature, set up a security camera with doorbell, play games, fitness, and more and more. And those are all based on the Google Cloud IoT solution, which is one of the best IoT platforms in 2021. What's most charming in Google service I find as a developer is that it serves machine learning capabilities that can associate with many other features. It allows to track globally dispersed devices in real time, has AI capabilities, and is compatible with every OS you can find. Sounds good, but what does it mean? It means that an IoT product using Google Cloud IoT can bring down highly complicated functionalities to Earth, with compatibility that can adopt almost every device. For example, your device can recognize your face with their Vision API, check your current mood and health, and complement your dress with their image processing. Then it can start a chat depending on your schedule and mood tendency, created and analyzed by machine learning capability. This is a joke, but I mean Google Cloud IoT can support such sophistication. Well, isn't that then complicated to use as much as it can support? Of course, it won't be the easiest to develop such things. But did you check out how thorough their documentation is? From a simple and easy tutorial for beginners, there are tons of training courses you can enroll. You can also prove your skills with multiple Google Cloud certifications for different kinds and different proficiency. By now, you might think that Google is ripping off your pocket with this. You're partially right, because most of them are not free. But if you're looking for a job, at least you can show the companies that you are ready with the certifications. Or it can help you to find trained professionals when you're looking for employees. By the way, I tried one of their free tutorials, and yes, I could tell it was very easy to follow and support multiple languages that are not poorly translated but perfect. It means more potential users, which could mean better compatibilities and maintenance depending on your business plan. Also, it provides a multi-layer secure infrastructure divided by edge devices, cloud, and data storage. This is very common today, but it still means easy to develop, easier maintenance, better security with protecting data. And again, there's complete documentation about how you can keep your product secure, including best practices and examples you can apply. And I believe those accessibilities are very important for us since we are developers who actually have to deal with them. What's also relieving as a developer is that Google meets the toughest compliance requirements such as GDPR, a range of ISO standards, and a lot more. It offers compliance programs that encompass certifications, law, regulations, frameworks, and privacy with distance crossover. So if your product is a heavily regulated sector like healthcare or financial services, or if you're even planning to go global, Google can be one of the best options for you. Okay, everything sounds juicy. Now what about pricing? The pricing is based on the data amount you use. According to the articles I found, Google may not always be the most expensive provider depending on the product you use, but it is definitely not a cheap one. Also, considering the recent steps of big tech companies, it seems like it's very presumable that they increase the price when we start relying on them. However, is this one of the high ends? Yes. Does it worth pricing? It depends on how much and what solutions you're using. It can be expensive for your project or can be cheaper than what you're using now. So if you're interested, check out the Google Cloud pricing calculator on their website. And that was all. So I hope you have found something interesting from this video. Thank you.